Hello students, in environmental studies subject, today we are going to discuss the topic scope and importance concept of sustainability and sustainable development. Today, the sustainability has become very common and used in daily lives by most of us. We tend to talk about sustainable energy, sustainable ecosystem, and sustainable development, so on, to imply the concern for the environment and the planet Earth in general. Sustainability is word that comes from the word sustain. It means the ability to sustain, and sustain means to endure, support, or to hold for a long time. There is also concept called sustainable development that confuses many. This is because of overlapping and similarities between the two. However, sustainable development has a deeper meaning for our environment, culture, economy, etc. That makes it a concept far more important for the human race. And therefore, in this unit, we will be talked about difference between sustainability and sustainable development, and also attempt to present you the concept, meaning and scope of sustainable development with a focus on its important needs, basic principles and examples. Sustainability is a state of living that is able to continue for long. It applies to ecosystem and animal kingdom also. But since late 80s, sustainability has been increasingly talked about in terms of human being and their future on planet Earth. Humans have made a use of agriculture to fulfill its requirement and needs. All this has led to massive change in not just the economy, society and the environment, but also permanent carbon footprint on ecosystems. And ultimately, human beings have exploited natural resources. We all know that most societies aspire to achieve economic development to secure higher standards of living both for themselves and for future generations. The concept of sustainable development came to the limelight with a Brundtland report in 1987. President of this report was former Prime Minister of Norway, Gro Harlem Brundtland. Sustainable development is a socio-ecological process characterized by the fulfillment of human needs while maintaining the quality of natural environment indefinitely. Sustainable development helps in maintaining a delicate balance between the human need to improve a lifestyle and feeling of well-being on the one hand, and on the other hand preserving a natural resources and ecosystem on which we and future depend. So the definition of sustainable development is a pattern of growth and development that meets the need and requirements of the present without compromising with the ability of our future generations and to meet their requirements and needs. After concept of sustainability and sustainable development, we will discuss the difference between sustainability and sustainable development. Sustainability is ability to endure or hold on, while sustainable development is a strategy to achieve development without compromising with the ability of our future generation to fulfill their needs and requirements. Sustainability looks at serving the environment as the primary objective, while sustainable development focuses on a development of infrastructure keeping the environment clean to achieve a growth. Sustainability is ability to sustain and hence the desired end product of lifestyle, whereas sustainable development is a growth strategy to minimize carbon footprint to leave the planet for the use of future generations. In 2005, the World Summit on Social Development identified three core areas that contribute to philosophy and social science of sustainable development. These pillars in many national standards and certification schemes. The first pillar is economic development. This development is about giving a people what they want without compromising quality of life, especially in the developing world, and reducing the financial burden and red tape of doing the right things. Second pillar is a social development. These pillar facets most importantly in awareness and protection of health of people from pollution and other harmful activities of business and other organizations. So, the final element is education, which encouraging those people to participate in environmental sustainability and teaching them about the effect of environmental protection as well as warning of danger if we cannot achieve our goals. Environmental protection is the third pillar, the primary concern of this pillar of future humanity. It defines how we should study and protect ecosystems, air quality, integrity and sustainability of our resources and focusing on the element that place stress on environment. It also concerns how the technology will drive our greener future and the environmental protection approach recognize that developing technology and biotechnology is a key to this sustainability and protecting the environment of the future from potential damage. There are some importance of sustainable development. It helps to balance our economic, environmental and social needs, providing a long-term integrated approach to developing and achieving a healthy community. Encourage us to conserve and enhance our natural resources. If this is to be done in a sustainable manner, then there is economic growth should be supported and developing nations should be allowed a growth of equal quality to developed nations. Let us discuss the principles which underlie the concept of sustainable development. Sustainable development reduces a dependence upon a fossil fuel, underground metals and minerals. It also reduces a dependence upon synthetic chemicals and other unnatural substances. That reduced a violation of nature and provides old and new approach to human use of the atmosphere and ultimately meet the human needs fairly and efficiently. There are some requirements to achieve the sustainable development. The first requirement is humans should be eco-friendly. Present generation should be aware for needs of present and future generation and also ensure the productive assets available to future generation. Such technologies need to be developed and implemented which helps to conserve resources, prevent unnecessary pollution and help restore the environment wherever appropriate. There are different practices throughout the world which concerns the sustainable development and avoid the environmental pollution. The first practice is a solar energy. Solar energy replacing a non-renewable energy source. It is completely free and is available in limitless supply. These factors provide a huge benefit to consumer and help to reduce the pollution. Second practice is the wind energy is a great example of sustainable development. Harnessing is the power of wind energy necessitates the use of windmills. However, due to construction cost and finding a suitable location, these kind of energy is meant to service more than just the individual. The third practice is the crop rotation. This farming practice is beneficial in a several way, most notably because it is chemical free. For further study, go through these references.